Hello, in this video I will show you step-by-step resume creation using MS Word for freshers. Before creating the resume, I will discuss about the theory topic. What is resume? Why resume is important? Types of resume format. Design tips for a great resume. Resume mistakes to avoid. Basic section of a resume. So first of all, let's see what is resume. A formal document used to present your background and skill. Key tool for job application. Usually 1 to 2 pages long. Why is resume important? For example, when a job seeker submit a CV based on circular, after submitted, employers open the CV, they get the first impression. That's why resume is important. Where highlight your education, skills, experience. Essential for jobs, internship, higher studies. Now let's see types of resume formats. Chronological list experiences in reverse order. Functional resume which focus on skills. Combination CV mixed of both. Like chronological and functional CV both are combined, that is resume. So now which CV freshers will create? Freshers should use chronological or combination CV. Now let's see design tips for a great resume. We should use a simple clean template. We will keep font size 11 to 12 for body part, bold for heading part. If you are not designer, avoid colors unless in creative fields. Keep consistent formatting. Before creating a resume, we should avoid some mistakes like spelling or grammar errors. We will avoid unprofessional email. We will avoid too long, irrelevant details. We will avoid using same resume for every job. Now, basic section of a resume. Header section that will contain your name, contact info, career objective, education, skill section, project section, experience section if you have any, extracurricular activities, references. Now we'll create header section or personal information. Header section will follow this example. So for the practical part, we'll open Word program. We'll open a blank document. After open a blank document, we'll set up the page layout. So first of all, we'll select no spacing, then font, we'll select font Arial, we'll press layout tab, then after coming layout tab, we'll select size, A4 size, then orientation, it will by default take portrait. If not, then you will select portrait, then narrow margin. So after coming to the home page, then we'll write, after writing the name, select text, then use bold tool, select, then font size I will take 18, then click enter. Now writing the address, address. For insert photo, we'll click insert tab, then picture tool. This device will open from device photo, then insert. You will get photo is not positioning the right place, so you have to select layout option. We'll click import text, then it will be easy to move. We'll select photo, then reduce the size to bigger to smaller, then select the photo for the position. Now our header section is complete, then enter, and we'll import a horizontal line. It's a complete header section that will be easy to customize for your job application. You can also add border for your photo. So for this you have to click photo, then you will select border black. Obviously it will look more professional. So our header section is complete. Now we'll go for career objective section. Here is the format of career objective section. So first of all we'll write career objective header section, career objective, then select career objectives. We'll take shading based on your job. You will write this section. I will just copy paste the section. Now we will add education section. For this I will write education, then select education, use bold tool, then shading, click below, then I will just copy paste, so you will be able to write the paragraph section. Now we will add skill section. Here is the skill section, skills, then mark the section text then you can take bold from here, then shadow. After select, then we'll take shadow, then click below. As there has bullet pointer, that's why I will show how to add bullet. So for this you will click here, then write technical skill, then enter, then software. Similarly we will write this way. I will just copy paste. So after adding skill section, you will write project section. Now for the project section, mark this project text, then bold, use shadow, then click below. After project section, we'll go for internship and work experience section. Here is the internship and work experience section. Similarly, assign bold, then gain experience. We'll write extracurricular activities section, then we'll add references. If you see one section is taking 2 pages, then you have to align in another page. From the description section you will get this template file link.